In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a page on Wix if you're finding that a page on your site is no longer relevant, or maybe you just want to clean things up a bit. Deleting a page is a simple process. Let me guide you through each step to make sure you can do this with ease. First, we're going to start by heading over to the Wix website editor. You can access the editor by logging into your Wix account and selecting the site you want to manage. It's the hub for all your content and design, and this is where all the magic happens when editing your site. Once you're in the Wix editor, look towards the left-hand side of your screen where you'll find the Site Pages option. Click on this. It's your gateway to managing all the pages within your website. This menu is essential for navigating and modifying the structure of your site, ensuring that you can easily access any page that requires changes. Now that you are within the Site Pages section, the next step is to focus on the Site menu. Clicking on the Site menu provides a list of all the available pages on your website. This neatly organized list will show you everything that's currently live on your site, which is perfect for quickly finding the page you want to delete. With the appropriate page in view, the next part involves interacting with the three dots menu. This icon might be located next to the page name and serves as a multifunctional tool, offering a list of actions you can take. Clicking on this will expand a menu with several options relevant to the selected page. Finally, you'll want to choose the delete option from this expanded menu. A subtle yet powerful action, selecting delete will prompt you to confirm your decision, a crucial step to ensure you don't remove anything by accident. Once confirmed, the page will be removed from your site entirely, and there you have it. You've successfully deleted a page from your Wix website. It's an easy process once you know where to look, but it's also important to be careful, as deleting a page is a permanent action. Remember, regular maintenance of your website's pages not only helps keep it looking clean, but also enhances user experience by ensuring all information is current and relevant. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to revisit this video or explore other resources available on Wix. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.